there struggles with hard water stains on their toilets. I know I do. They are pretty horrible, so I'm going to warn you right now because in this video I'm going to show you how to remove those hard water stains on your toilets. For what probably was years, I struggled to find a solution to remove these stains. I tried bleach, I tried baking soda, I tried vinegar, and nothing would remove them. So finally I figured out a way to get them gone. Not forever, but gone until you have to clean again, which maybe like every 6 months. So first I'm going to show you what you need, and then I'm going to show you on my toilet. If you have been to my blog, theforkedspoon.com, you will have seen this post with the written out instructions, and you will have seen this very toilet. So come on along and I'll show you. You will need first, most important and the key to making this work, drywall screens. It's the fine grit. You can get them at Home Depot or probably other hardware stores or on Amazon. And I will, so Home Depot, Amazon. And you are going to need Barkeeper's Friend. This you can also get on Amazon or at a lot of other stores as well. You don't have to use this, but I find that it polishes your toilet up a little bit nicer. And then last but not least, and most important, gloves. Please wear gloves. So to get started first, I'm going to scrub my toilet because it hasn't, I purposely, for the video, I haven't scrubbed this toilet or cleaned it in a long time, which has been the perfect excuse to not clean. But it's gross, it's nasty, but that's why we're here. So anyway, say hello. Here's my toilet scrubber. Put your gloves on, that's super important. You don't want to get all the chemicals or toilet stuff on your hands, unless of course you don't care about dirtying your hands, and that is up to you. So again, you can get these gloves as well on Amazon, big super packs. I think they sell them in like packs of 6 or something because they get gross as well. Now if I can figure out how to open this, because you know, child lock. Okay, there we go. So, and I'm doing this right now just to show you guys that that normal cleaning Lysol with bleach will not remove the hard water stain. So it'll get kind of the other gross stuff off, but that line is just not going to budge. So giving it a nice good scrub. Still totally gross. Awesome. Love cleaning toilets. All right, now flush it. Still there. So what you want to do then is you want to grab your drywall screen and you want to cut them into little squares. You don't need a big square or anything like that, just about this size. You probably won't need more than 1 square per toilet unless your toilet's just like really bad. And then you have your Barkeeper's Friend. Again, please wear gloves. Barkeeper's Friend is really, really dangerous, not good for the skin, don't get in your eyes, just don't. So sprinkle that in there. And in little, you want it gently but firmly, go in circular motions here. And you can see that it's already starting to get cleaned up. And you can also see that, I mean, even though I'm cleaning these toilets and I have these gloves on, I mean, it's not like my whole hand is submerged in the toilet. And so a lot of people are totally grossed out by nasty toilets, which they are gross. But in order to get this done, your hands aren't going to be covered. So you just keep going in little circular motions. And the story behind how I figured this out was I had literally tried everything, as I had mentioned, and nothing was working. So I went to my local hardware store, and I had read online that a lot of people had used pumice stones to get up the hard water, but I had also read in comment sections that don't do it, it'll scratch the porcelain. And I was like, well, this is wonderful. What do? I can't scratch the porcelain. We don't own our home, and I'm sure that'll make our landlord really, really happy if we come back to him and say, oh, whoops, sorry, we scratched all your toilets with trying to get them clean. So instead, I asked around, and the man at the local hardware store recommended these drywall sheets. And as you can see, they work beautifully. This toilet, to get it all nice and clean and sparkly, will probably take me about 5 minutes. And they stay clean for a while. And there is no porcelain scratching. So you just kind of continue. Some spots will be trickier than other spots depending on how long it's been or how hard your water is. And just be patient. Scrubbing harder doesn't necessarily get it to go away any faster. So circular motions. And then just to show you a comparison, I'm going to flush the toilet. And there you go. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to finish scrubbing this toilet. You can read the full instructions, and if you forgot or you need a reminder on what you need for this, it's all on my website, theforkedspoon.com. If you enjoy this video, please click the subscribe button and follow along. And that's it. Thanks so much.